16th of this month, around about 8 o'clock, there was an attack by miscreants on our senior advocate, Mr. Sri Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, who is also the co-chairman of Bar Council of India and member of Karnataka State Bar Council. The reason for this attack is not disclosed, but there are two persons entered his office, that is his chamber. One was taking videograph of the attack and the other one was attacking the senior advocate. The reason was not disclosed, and after the incident the FIR was lodged before the Alsur Gate police station in FIR number 95 of 2020-25, and two persons are arrested. But still the reason for attack is not disclosed, and the persons behind this attack is also not disclosed or identified by the police. Therefore, when there is no safety for a senior advocate in this state to discharge his duties freely and to work in his office, and people are attacking when he is working in his chamber, so it shows the position of law and order, and this needs a serious investigation. The persons behind this attack needs to be identified. Therefore, Bar Council of Karnataka has convened the meeting, emergent meeting of all its members, and in the meeting it is resolved that there will be a protest on Monday, that is on 21st, in the entire state, and all the Bar Council of Karnataka has requested all the members of the advocates fraternity in the state to participate in the protest march and to make the representation to the concerned officers, and the representatives of the Bar Council will also meet the Home Minister and the government representatives to request the authorities to conduct the investigation in this matter.